Greetings everybody from RADE Garage. In this video I will show you our bigger and lower footpegs for CFmoto 450 MT. The footpegs are made from high-end aluminum steel and they are designed that way that can withstand the hard off-road riding. The footpegs are mounted with the stainless steel pins which can give you the perfect grip in any conditions you can withstand. Our footpegs are 25% longer than the original footpegs which you get with the bike. Our footpegs are also 1 cm lower, which gives you a better angle in your knees, which is good for you if you go on longer trips. If you like our footpegs, please go on our e-shop and check them out.